Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark Rollins. I'm an attorney here in the state of Maryland. I'm also licensed in the District of Columbia. My primary area of practice is criminal law. So today we're going to be talking about you've been found guilty after trial in the state of Maryland, and now the question is, what will happen? Well, the first thing that's going to happen is that a pre-sentence investigation report is going to be ordered. That's typically ordered by the court on almost all felonies. Rarely is it not done, but the pre-sentence report is ordered. And the pre-sentence report is basically a social background of the defendant. It basically goes into the history of the defendant, his life, what kind of work he's done, what he's done in most of his life. It can be a well-drafted biography, but you get some that are better than others. The next part is that the defense attorney is going to submit a memorandum of what he's going to be requesting the court. Now that goes into a lot of factors. One of the factors is the defense attorney is going to reestablish some of the facts of the case, not arguing the facts of the case, but just kind of putting the facts of the case as the defense attorney laid out in his case. And then he'll also lay out mitigating circumstances for why the court should not sentence him to a lengthy period of jail time. So all of that goes into the defense lawyer's memorandum, and it can be well drafted as well. And a lot of defense attorneys skip this process of drafting well-drafted memorandums, but the courts routinely read these memorandums, and they routinely rely on these memorandums. The other thing that the defense lawyer puts in his memorandum is he may attach character letters also to that memorandum. The last thing is that the court is going to look at the Maryland Sentencing Guidelines. Now, the Maryland Sentencing Guidelines are voluntary guidelines. The courts are not required to, they're not bound by them, but they are a guide for the judges to show the judges what experience or what typically range the court has sentenced people that have been found guilty of these offenses before. Now, again, they're not mandatory, and that's where a good defense attorney comes into, because he's going to argue or mitigate a downward departure from those guidelines. So I hope this helps. You can call my office and we'll be more than happy to discuss this. If you're in the sentencing phase of your case, we'll be more than happy to discuss it and go over what is necessary to have a successful outcome in your sentencing. All right, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our